Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies from 11th of October till 17th of October. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. So let's get started with your reading for my Sagittarius, 11th till 17th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Sagittarius. Sagittarius, 11th till 17th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. At the back of the deck we have the Lovers. Okay, so might be a love situation, really excited about something, or really figuring out something in regards with love, whether to take the decision, whether it's the time, or whether I should wait more. So a decision making time, especially for you, Sagittarius. In the past we have Queen of Swords, Seven of Pentacles and King of Swords. So both the King and the Queen has come up in the past energies for you. So this could be a mother or a father, or it could be two people or two kinds of personalities, or a situation where things were not negative, not positive. Things were like bitter. Okay, when some things, when we give a lot of time into a situation, when we give a lot of time in a relationship, we wait for somebody to give us the love back, we wait for something to grow peacefully, we expect results. But when the results doesn't come, it feels like we have wasted all the time. It makes us feel frustrated. That frustration is seen in your past energies. In the present we have Two of Cups in reverse, Queen of Pentacles and Eight of Swords. Although you are not showing it from outside that you are, how much frustrated you are, how much sometimes you feel so negative, so emotionless, but you feel it. You might be not able to cry in front of people, but you feel stuck. You feel like your life is not moving. You feel like you are stuck somewhere. People can't say just by looking at your face what you are going through. You might be going through a sense of failed partnership, sense of a feeling where things are ending, but you cannot show it to anyone. In the coming future we have Page of Wands in reverse, the Star, the Hanged Man. You are waiting for some reconciliation. You have high hopes. Things will be moving in the coming future. If you are waiting for some kind of a reconciliation or something like because this is more like a love reading to me, but a decision which is done by you, which has to be done by you, but somewhere you are trying to solve some kind of a puzzle over here, because you're trying to get into somewhere. You do not want stagnant energy. Who likes to be stagnant? Everyone wants growth, and you want that growth right now. In anything, you want growth. So it was like this from past so many months, but it is going to be like this. So movement is seen in the coming future for you, my dear Sagittarius. Let's see your clarifications now. Let's see why the Lovers is here. Okay. We have Three of Cups in reverse, Ten of Cups in reverse and the Sun in reverse. Okay, so this could be a bad marriage. It could be, I'm really getting a vibe of a bad father or a bad son, over here. Not bad, but basically, an absent father or an absent son, where emotions are not involved with somebody whom you really love, or somebody who is who is very close to you, but you don't feel the love. Okay, yeah, this is more like a love situation. It's more like some people around you. You might be having friends, but friends are also, they are like bitter, they are fake. So you are around so many negative people. There are more than one people involved in this situation, and you are going through that. You want love, you want somebody who can take care of you. When you get old also, they can take care of you, but you are not getting one. All the people are selfish. That is what you are getting over here. Tell me more about the Seven of Pentacles in the past energies. Too many cards. Seven of Pentacles in the past. Four of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Whatever bad has happened with you in the past, it's really hard for you to let go, because that bitterness in a relationship has made you so much frustrated, because you have actually given a lot of time. Time plus patience was there. Everything was happening against you. People were against you, situations were against you, but all you showed was patience. And now when that limit is exceeded, that limit of patience is exceeded, you want to just throw out everything. You want to cry, you want to shout, but you are not able to. And you're not able to let go of the things which has happened with you in the past. You are not able to, because things were bad. I see it. Things were bad, things were not in your favor. They were never, nobody was was in your favor. Family, friends, nobody. And still now you are really going through that situation. People are, you might be getting blamed by people that it's all because of you. And how you are standing up still in front of people, you are so strong. Okay. For those of you who are working, okay, who are in an environment of work, in regards with this situation, hats off to you, because you are actually bringing home money as well while you are in the situation. But those who are not working, this is a very beautiful indication where you can start your own work. If you are into business field, if you are into something, if you have some kind of a talent, it is the best time to start. Okay. Two of Cups in reverse. Ten of Swords, Nine of Wands in reverse, and Nine of Swords in reverse. See, things are coming towards an end. Okay, so whatever the partnership was, I know love was involved in that thing before, but it is coming towards an end. It is a failure. Okay, it could be a failure of a relationship. It could be a failure of something. It could be a failure of your business or some job as well. But it does not should worry you a lot, because there is something more very beautiful which is coming your way, and which is going in around you. There is some kind of an opportunity as well which is coming towards you, or already is there. So do not just lose that opportunity. Grab that opportunity, my dear Sagittarius. Things will come to a relief. You will stop worrying about small things in the coming future, which is already coming up in the present. You are stuck, you are feeling stuck, but start to feel that, who am I to worry about all this thing? I am nobody to worry. I will worry only about my life. I do not care about anyone. Being selfish is kind of fine for you right now. Eight of Swords. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Ten of Wands in reverse. Wow. With the Three of Pentacles, see how beautifully you are grooming yourself. You might be even learning new skills, which I already told you. You might be into some kind of a business, or starting a new project, new business. Things are, whatever things, if things were slow or delays were there, it's the time to just come out of that thing, because delays are ending, things are coming towards an end, and they are going to move now. All right. Star. We have Page of Pentacles in reverse. We have King of Wands in reverse with the Seven of Cups. Difference of opinions, a lot of things you might be having options for. You have to choose out of so many things. So this could be a possibility of somebody coming towards in your life, who could be like a person who is you are feeling that there are people around you. You are like an option to someone else. Now it's a very beautiful time where you are not an option. Somebody else is an option, or many people are there in front of you, and you will have to choose. So that time is coming for you, my dear Sagittarius. So stop thinking negatives, okay? Stop only looking towards the negatives, because positive is coming towards you. The Hangman. Nine of Cups, Four of Cups, and the Devil in reverse. See how beautiful release energy with the Devil in reverse is there. You are releasing the negatives yourself. You are attracting the positives towards yourself. You are like, you will not accept anything bad for yourself, okay? So this is like, you will be the one who will reject people, who will reject jobs, who will reject something which will not give you satisfaction. You are the one who will be rejecting. So the ball is in your court now. All right, Sagittarius. So that is all from my side. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.